The purpose of this video is to show you how to submit and turn in assignment given to you by your teacher using Google Forms. Alright, so here is the Google form with a list of questions. All the questions have been answered, and now I'm going to click submit. Okay, after submitting, you can view scores or open assignment. Let us view score first. Alright, so my total points there is 5 out of 5. I'm gonna close this out. Let us look at open assignment. Click on that. Alright, we have answered the question, but the teacher needs to get a copy of your script that is answered via Google Forms. So what you need to do in order to turn in your work, first we're going to open back this form. We have already responded, but we need to copy this link here. So I'm going to select the link on top. I'm going to copy. Now that I've copied that link, I'm going to close it and go back to open assignment, because we need to turn this in to the teacher for her to view the results. It says here no work is attached, and we need to turn this in. So we're going to click on unsubmit. It says here unsubmit to add or change attachment. Don't forget to resubmit once you're done. So I'm clicking on this. So we're going to add, and we're going to add the link. So we choose link, and the link that was copied, we're going to paste it here and then add link. If you do not do this, the teacher will not be able to see your score. So now that the link is attached showing your score, we're going to select turn in. It says here one attachment will be submitted for the judiciary, and we're going to select turn in again. Alright, it says here now your work turned in, and the teacher will now be able to view Google Forms with your completed assignment and scores.